We are Apana people, so we are very thankful to Your Excellency for elevating the head of the Apana clan to the head of the Traditional Rulers Council in Rivers State. Kwanumam no isn't Apana, but head of the Traditional Rulers Council. Obonono. Governor Kabo, Anekweku, Aneme. Anekweku, Aneme. Governor Akelelame, thank you so much. And Eneka is the third son of Apra. Whatever you have done for the Apra clan, you have done for the Eneka man. We celebrate you on this occasion and we say thank you. Then Eneka Gatri Bohati Bosa. And the politics of Babalamu. Your Excellency, it's so nice to have you here. Thank you very much. The Eneka people are grateful for your friendship. They know that you're my friend. In Eneka, we don't do wayo friendship. Abu Gabin Chilaru, Guru to Zugwa Manurimo here. When Eneka man say, I follow you, we follow you forever. Eneka man is a great supporter of our governor, Governor Sim Fubara. And will continue to follow you because we know that we will find the way once we follow you. You're a man of astute administrative capability. Before Presidential line of office, before the suspension, the only state that never borrowed one kobo. The whole Nigeria. The only state that has savings of over 300 billion. Countless number of projects. For the past 3-4 weeks, every day, one new project was inaugurated. Please, what do the people want again apart from good governance and development? And to take the interest of the people. Gora Boroha, Obolo Goru, interest Bano Zochi. Governance of Rivers State, Polake Badon, Obolo to Badon. As we sit here now, I'm Moguzo Pambra, the governor of Rivers State. There is only one governor in Rivers State. Whether you like it or you don't like it or if you like, shout from now to tomorrow. Only how many governors? And no hamokuga. Wasn't yet open. Wasn't honey me. Can you make a Oze honey me? Interpret it for me, please. It's on happen as a pa for 8 years. 8 years and don't hang chicken. Or Bali government house. Answer my boy. Or Bali government bala no aka bụ nyo ha yo. Ọ bụ ha emekwa dị. Nye echekwa ha. Anyway, bro, election no hande ke kiare go. Amaya agine man. Obviously okwu na lazima no politics but o nwere ha shi on shi. Kalama meka. Ngwano. Ndo ha mbekule mano. Kalama no meka. Anu yishi ahio. Ngwano na beta na microphone.
Sacrifice. You have to pay for that too. Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, I feel very, very honored today. I never knew it was a very special event like this. When I was invited, I thought it was like a family thing, just come and stay with us, eat yam, roasted yam with in fresh oil, maybe with mashed pepper. I didn't know it was something big like this. Maybe I would have dressed it like a traditional ruler that I am before coming to this place. But what is important is that I'm here and I'm with you, and I want to thank you for allowing your son, distinguished Senator John Mbata, to support me. I want you to understand that in supporting me, a lot of things have happened to him. But like he said here, when an Eleka man is with you, it follows you to the end. I want to believe that you all followed me because he was following me. And for that reason, I accept first the chieftaincy title with all my heart. I look forward to sit with the traditional rulers, and I hope that the next sharing of land I will also benefit from it. You made my job very easy by asking for only two things. The second one was upgrading your stool. I don't need anybody's permission for it. Let me make it clear here that the commissioner for chieftaincy and local government community affairs will commence the process immediately. The other request is the internal road. I'm aware of what you suffered in the course of the construction. While the flyover was going on, a lot of your internal roads were bypassed for commuters, heavy trucks, because it's a major road. And somehow your internal roads were destroyed. I wouldn't go the line of your CDC chairman by accepting here. I won't accept what will kill me. I won't accept 100 roads. We will scope as much as we can. But I can assure you that what we're going to do for you will be very reasonable. But for me, today is very important. Important because at the crossroad of our state, what is important for us is unity that would attract progress. And attending this event and seeing your team unifying our strength for progress means the Nneka people is part of my government. Because they understand the importance of unity, that you can only progress when there is unity. So I want to urge everyone, this very great clan, continue to be together. When you're together, you cannot be broken. There will be a lot of attempts to disorganize you, dismember your body, but ensure that you stand as one. Standing as one is when the government can listen to you because your voice will be very strong. Standing as one is when the government can see that coming here to support you will not cause them pain. Standing as one will also make government to listen to you whenever you call upon us. So I join you today, the wonderful people of Nneka, in celebrating this Nneka Day that you've not done for over 7 years. And very, very fortunate that when you're doing it after 7 years, you dragged me out. I'm here with you, dance with Donkey Mighty, collected chieftaincy. It didn't even end there. I'm going with uncountable yam. In fact, I have enough food I'll eat in the year throughout the year 2026. So let me thank everyone. Thank you on behalf of the River State government. I assure you that we'll continue to be with you because your son is standing with us. The occasion has been declared open, but let me, because I'm the father of the state, officially declare this day, the Nneka Day celebration, open and wish all of you well. Thank you and may God bless you all.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. His Excellency, the Governor of River State.
Yeah,